Welcome back everyone to another Gamers Tech tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Mobile Legends Bang Bang game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you open it up, you can tap on the search button. And now just type in Mobile Legends to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can tap on it, and here you can check out the game info, as well as reviews left by users. In order to install it, tap on the install button, and this will begin the download and installation of the game. Tap on the auto open toggle if you wish for the application to automatically launch once the installation is done. After waiting for some time, the installation will be done and you may launch the application. And now the game resources will be extracted and you can start enjoying the game. If you were previously logged in to your Google Play Games account, then your progress will return back automatically. And there you have it. That is how you can download and install the Mobile Legends game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.